Welcome, YouTubers. So, I am mixing it up a little bit. I have this welcome sign from Joann Fabrics, and it says mortals on it. Welcome, mortals. Well, guess what? I don't want it to say mortals anymore. So, I'm going to try something that I saw someone else do, and I thought, I'll try it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the mortals up with the glue gun, and we'll see how that works. I don't know. It may work, it may not, but I'm going to try it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some parchment paper onto the back so that way it doesn't fall the way through the other side. Try to save myself some time on cleanup, but I don't know if it's going to work. Let's pray. That's pretty much what I'm going to do is pray. It did take a lot of glue sticks. Let's just say that. It probably would have been easier to use wood fill putty compared to the glue sticks. It took a long time. Let's just say I had to speed up these videos a lot just to get it to the point where you guys can see the finished product. I wasn't extremely happy with the glue sticks. You'll see why. So I would not recommend glue sticks to fill any holes, especially large ones. So I'm going to let you guys watch what I do, and then we're going to show you how much painting is involved. It took several layers of paint because you could see the glue residue through the side of it. It was very transparent, so it would look weird. So I had to paint it several times. So let's get on to the video. You guys can see what I did. Hope this helps somebody know not to do this. For some reason, putting the glossy decoupage over top of it, or yeah, the Mod Podge, the glossy Mod Podge over top of it, it makes it look like it's supposed to be like that. And if you don't put the glossy Mod Podge on top of it, what happens is you have this cast over shine. And when you have that cast over shine, it really changes the appearance of it and it shows that you put a decal on it. So that's the reason I use the glossy Mod Podge. So thank you for everything you guys do. And we've now hit over 260 in subscribers. And I just never thought that we'd be even at 260 by Christmas time. But you guys just amaze me, and I want to thank you very much for being part of my channel. And 2022 is coming, and I'm super excited to see what we can do with me along this journey. I mean, this has been amazing. I want to thank you very much, and go 2022.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay,